Hey folks, it's Paul here with a week 5 review on the simple trading patterns strategy. This is a bit late this week. This is being done at the start of week 6, so it's a bit late. I had a busy weekend doing other things. Um, Falling behind on the reviews and the stats keeping on this. I've got to update the spreadsheet with the last week's trades and things, so I'll get to that. But won't be in this review, but I'll run through the trades. Um, Aussie US, we had a breakout trade on this pattern, which has actually had. I had an entry above this swing high, which got triggered and stopped out, but I still felt the pattern was valid, so I put a second entry in above this swing high, which got triggered. It came to within about 5 pips of taking profit here, and has since reversed. I was up here on Friday. I actually thought going to bed Friday, I thought New York should give it a spike up to take that out, but it never did. Open today, and through Asia it's dropped, and I've only really just set down to the charts now, and at the end of the London session, and you can see the big, fairly large, strong pullback. So successful setup. Just the take profit was just a bit too far away for us to get tagged into. May come down and stop us out, or it may reverse and continue higher. It's another proponent, this trade, another proponent for the idea of setting your targets at 1 to 1, or maybe just over 1 to 1, 1.5 to 1, 1.2, 1.1, something. So if I go live with these types of trades, I would certainly, a consistent thing over the whole 5 weeks of testing it has been that the best way to trade it would be either 1 to 1 or just a little bit more than 1 to 1 to maintain a smooth and steady equity curve. Even though the idea of a 2 to 1 sounds good and makes sense, it's surprising how often price doesn't reach the 2 to 1 target prior to making these interest swing sort of reversals, and how often you've got to hold on to the trade for a long time to finally get you 2 to 1 scenario. The other trade that's still open is this Euro Aussie, which also dropped down strongly. It was a head and shoulders pattern here. Opened up, set up nicely, had a nice move in London on Friday. Reversed right back to the open, dropped down again, and was hanging around the area. Formed a bit of a triangle pattern in here, and I was really tempted to pull this on Friday, but I thought for the purposes of the exercise, I need to leave it open. And it has also reversed and may take out the stop on that. So that's another one where, okay, it didn't quite get to 1 to 1, but it had a nice move after the breakout. I mean, what we're doing is we're trading the breakout on these patterns. So you want to catch, really what you want to catch is the initial move on the breakout. Once you see it starting to reverse, I think that's where you probably pull it. And we're looking for consistent profits and grow our equity. That's the purpose of trading. So I'll be holding for set targets. Sometimes is a bit like just stubbornly sticking to a set of rules that might not be the best outcome for the trade. So that one has also reversed and may stop out. I mean, it may reverse again from here and drop down. We had the US yen trade early in the week, which was a winner. I didn't take anything on cable. I was looking for shorts below this sort of bear flag. Obviously, they never triggered, and price just shot up, so I cancelled it. No trades on here last week. This was from the week before. The euro, I saw a bull flag in here, but it was after the breakout, and as it works, I set up another little one in here, and then so there was a few trades in here that I missed on the run up to this resistance level that was placed on over here. And overall from that, I guess the head and shoulders from this pattern has, worked out and provided a number of potential profitable trades on the way up. So I missed that one. New Zealand USD, I had a long on a breakout here. I had a long in here. I break at this high, so it went long up in here. Haven't got it on the chart yet. Stops were below here about 30 pips. Target was 60 pips. It got up 30 pips or 25, so nearly 30 pips there, 28, 27 pips, 20, 27 and a half pips. And has since reversed to stop me out. So that's another one that, while the initial breakout didn't give much, it did get a bit in profit. It, had some profit on the table before reversing and stopping us out. So that's been a loss. US CAD, I was looking for a breakout on this. I'm pretty sure I took a loss on this as well. I had a long position which stopped out. The Aussie US, it looks like it's reversing. Nothing on the Euro Yen, nothing on the Pound Aussie. Pound Yen, I had shorts again on this sort of bear pennant. Were never triggered. Pound New Zealand, I was looking for a potential breakout here, but never got it. It broke down and then a triple bottom down there. Euro Aussie we've seen, and nothing on these two. So overall, there was loss on the US CAD, loss on the New Zealand US, a loss on the Aussie. So there's 3 losses, and these trades, these are the win on the US yen, and close of Friday or near Friday up here when the price was up here, I was actually overall in profit for the week, which is surprising considering the losses I've taken. But looking at it now, we're heavily down. So we started the week at around 12.20. 12,020 and or 12,040, somewhere around there. And we're now, the balance is now 11,709, so we dropped 3%, and we're $88, so nearly 1% in the red on the equity. At the highest I saw it Friday, we were looking at we just hit 12,300 in profit, so we could have gone in with a sort of 2% profit for the week on a slow sort of struggle week where I missed the main moves. I'm not too worried about missing these big moves on the pound either, because they're fueled by Brexit, and are not necessarily something that's going to happen on a consistent basis to be consistently tradable across even a year or a month, or you don't always get moves like this. So to miss out on these, you can make a lot of money. You can also lose a lot of money on those sorts of moves. So it's not really what I'm trying to catch. Anyway, that's the week's review. The first really major drawdown, I guess, or major losing week for the system. And if I'd stuck to my rule of closing the trades out prior to the close of the trade on Friday, I probably would have closed out at a small profit. So that's something to look at and consider as well at the end of the test. But I'll leave it there. And this week, potentially got a bit of a bear flag setting up, although it's very steep. Pound Aussie, and the one I actually like is the Pound New Zealand. Looks to be setting up a nice bear flag here. Obviously quite a strong move up. You can take it from the bottom here if you wanted, and then we've got a consolidation period in here, which is not too extreme. If you look at Pound Aussie, it's there as well, but it's fairly, it's a little steeper. I'll probably be placing trades on both of these. In fact, I will be placing pending trades on both of these to go long above on a break. A breakout, and that'll probably stop out for loss. This one I won't be because of how steep this flag pattern is. So because that's so steep, it may well come up and then drop and form a pennant. I could maybe look for some sort of pennant pattern to form in here. You know, something in here. You can see price get constrained up and then look for a breakout up or down. So, nothing else really stands out. US CAD possibly setting up a bear flag. The bottom of a range. This might be setting up another head and shoulders for a short. Head and shoulders potential in here for a short below this swing low. If we fail to break this swing high and we form a lower high, so the idea would be to place a sell stop there. So we'll place that one in. And I'll place buy weights on the pound Aussie and pound New Zealand, and that'll pretty much be the trades for this week. Set in motion, and I'll wait and see how price reacts and what happens to those. Out there, and down there, yeah, so I'll let you know how that rolls at the end of the week. Cheers.